How you doing, everybody? This is George at Wicked Warnings, your #1 place for strobe lights for trucks. Here today with some LED safety lighting on this new Ford Super Duty. What we have here is our LED HAW Duo in the front headlights. I have a video that shows you this can be done after purchase. I'll show you how. We also have a LIN-6 in all amber on the grille. As you can see, we've synchronized the LIN-6 with the LED HAW Duo in the headlights. We're also running our Wicked Warnings mirror mod kit on the mirrors of this truck. We use the factory LED lights in the mirrors as warning lights, and that creates a very nice display. Here's a little off-axis shot. As you can see again, Wicked Warnings, your #1 spot for strobe lights for trucks and LED safety lighting. Let me spin this one around and show you what we did in the back. Out back, we went ahead with our TIR3 in amber in an alternating pattern there by the reverse, or by the tail, I'm sorry, by the rear license plate. In the reverse, we have our LED HAW Duo, as well as up in the cargo light. This truck had the standard halogen cargo lights, so we were able to remove and just remount those lights off to the side. There's another video I have that explains the difference between the standard incandescent or halogen cargo light and the new version with the LED in it. Some of the higher trim lines have the LED, so definitely check out those videos. We went with a X pattern in the back in white on the LED HAW Duos, and then we went with a fast flash alternation on the TIR3s in amber, just to give them a little bit more color in the rear. Here you can see how those ambers are really popping, and the white definitely does its job. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. Make sure you check out the description for links to each one of these individual products on our website, as well as a link to purchase this as a package. We have now released package pricing and package purchase links for most of our videos, so there will be a link if you want to duplicate exactly this build. This truck does not have upfitter switches, so in this package there will be a switch. If you have upfitter switches, you don't need that switch. Otherwise, everything you need to do this job will be in a link in a package price deal in the description. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. This is George.